guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anushka, and as you all know, Halloween is going on, and Halloween is very fun. A very happy Halloween to all of you. And this day is full of zombies, vampires, and witches, and devils, and all the bad spirits. So Halloween is a very fun day for me. I go to trick or treat. I go to have food, have a lot of fun, and many other things. I made a DIY for Halloween. Here it is. I made this spider web because my Halloween is not complete without DIYs. There's no fun without any decorations or anything. And this year is going to be the worst year with Halloween because this year we can't go out for trick or treating. So it's not that much fun, but Halloween is always fun, so I will try to make DIYs and have fun. So today we are going to be trying some viral hacks from all over the world. These viral hacks are very popular, and these I don't know if they work, so that's what we're going to test in the video. And they are some life hacks, actually, like the viral hacks. I'm going to try them, and it's going to be really good if they work. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, basically in this first hack, all you need is a balloon, and you have to fill water in it, and then you have to pop it and make a video of it like normally, and then you edit it and put it in slow-mo mode and fast-mo mode and the reverse mode. So we have to make the same video in all these three modes, and now I'm going to show you the video. And now I'm going to go and fill the balloon, and then I'm going to show you. मैं अपना बैलून यहाँ पे ले आई और मैं इसको स्लो मो में, फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में और रिवर्स में तीनों में फोड़ने वाली हूँ. एंड ये मेरी बहुत पतली है. हाँ, मैं ये सुई भी लाई हूँ इसको फोड़ने के लिए. तो अब मैं इसको स्लो मो में लाइक हर में बना के आप गाइस को दिखाऊंगी. देखा बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आया था, और मैंने तीनों में फास्ट फॉरवर्ड, स्लोमो एंड रिवर्स तीनों में आप गाइस को दिखाया कि कैसा रिजल्ट आया, और रिजल्ट बहुत अमेजिंग आया. मुझे रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा, स्पेशली रिवर्स का. जब मैंने रिवर्स में किया तो फूट के मेरे हाथ में बैलून बन रहा था और वो बहुत कूल इफेक्ट दे रहा था. सो यू गाइस कैन ऑल्सो ट्राई इट एट योर होम्स एंड tell how was the result in the comment section. So I personally really like this hack, so I will give this a 10 out of 10. So let's go to the next one. Guys, as in the next hack, what do we have to do? We have to take a board marker, and then you have to take a plate, and you have to draw a stickman figure or anything, a heart or star or like anything you want, and then you have to put some water on it and it will float. So let's see if it works. So guys, I've made my stickman figure with this marker, and I've taken small plate, and now I'm going to put the water on it. So guys, I've got some water, and now I'm going to put it on like the hangman. So guys, here I have it, and I'm going to put the water on this stickman figure. Guys, nothing is happening, like nothing. Just as it was, this normal stickman. So guys, this is not moving. I have added water. It's been 3-4 minutes and it is still. Then I should rub it. No guys, nothing is happening. I don't know how, but this hack didn't work for me. So I will give this a 0 out of 10 because it didn't move at all. It didn't float and neither its pieces. So I will give this a 0 out of 10. So let's go to the next one. So guys, अब इस next hack में they said that you have to take a permanent marker, and if you put the permanent marker somewhere by mistake and if you want to erase it, all you have to take is a sanitizer and some cotton. You have to put some sanitizer drop on it, and with the cotton you have to rub it and the permanent marker will be off. So I've got my table to experiment on it, some sanitizer and some cotton. So I'm going to make a very small dot in case if it doesn't erase. So I'm going to make a small dot now. Okay, so I've made a small dot, and now I'm going to show you guys if this hack works. So next we are going to put, where was my mark? Okay, I found it, here it is. I'm gonna put a sanitizer drop and some cotton. So now you're gonna rub it. Rub it. Okay, so now you're gonna see. It's a small screen, like most of it has been removed. So guys, mainly all of it is removed, just a small dot. Like, yeah, now everything is removed, my table is clean, and this hack works. So guys, I found this hack very useful if you by mistakenly put some permanent marker somewhere, and if you want to erase it, you can use some sanitizer for it. So this one was very useful. So let's go to the next one. This next one, you need a scrunchie and a hot bowl of water. It's very hot, my finger burnt when I was coming here. So now I'm going to put the scrunchie here. So what does this hack basically do? You must have seen, after using the scrunchie, they get a little like a large. They are not small as usual, they come. So we're going to take this scrunchie and I'm going to put it in. So basically it will shrink in the hot water. So now I'm going to put it in, and you're going to notice the change. So the water is flowing. Nothing is happening special. It shrunk a little, very little. I didn't came to know. So I'm going to show you guys here. So guys, here I have my bowl, and I put the scrunchie here, and it's shrinking a little bit. I don't notice it very well. So guys, it's exactly been 5 minutes and we are waiting for a long time. So I will see this in the last of the video to see how much it has shrunken. So we are wasting time. Let's get to the next hack. So guys, for the next one, basically you need a phone. So this is a phone trick. So you need the phone app in your phone, and you need to dial star #0. Then you have to dial star #0. So star #0, star #0. I guess I'm wrong. Let me see it again. Guys, I was wrong. We had to do only star #0, star #. So now all you have to do is dial this number. Error performing request unknown error. But they just opened it. I don't know what's happening. Guys, it doesn't work in Apple. I think we have to take this in Android. So I'm gonna be trying this hack in Android now. As you saw, iOS में work नहीं किया, but I'm back with Android phone. So I'm going to go to the phone app and I'm going to dial the same number, and here we have it. And मैंने इसको डायल भी नहीं किया था, ये अपने आप ही खुला है इधर, and कुछ कलर्स के ऑप्शंस आ रहे हैं. So I'm going to click on here blue, and इधर guys ब्लू स्क्रीन आ गई है. तो ये वर्क करता है, बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट दे रहा है. ये कैसे ओके व्हाटएवर. तो गाइस ये बहुत अच्छा इफेक्ट दे रहा है. हो सकता है ये ऐसे मेरा सेंसर हो. इधर से वो एग्जिट करने का ऑप्शन है, तो मैं एग्जिट कर रही थी इतनी देर से। सो ये वर्क तो करता है। एंड इस पर आप कोई भी कलर खोल सकते हो। रेड, ये तो रेड है ये। एंड आई एम गोइंग टू पुट रेड लाइट। ग्रीन कलर खोल सकते हो आप इधर, ग्रीन लाइट भी है इधर ऐसे। एंड रिसीवर नोट, गाइस ये क्या वॉइस बना रहा है। ओह सो ये वर्क करता है। ब्लैक कलर भी है ये, मतलब बहुत सारे कलर हैं और ये वर्क करता है। एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस वन। सो ये काम करता है हैक। सो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन। The next trick, again you need your phone, you need Google on it, and you have to search Cornell. I'm saying it exactly 1801. And this site basically allows you to watch movies free. Like if you want to watch Disney movies, Frozen, and if you go on YouTube, they say you have to pay money for that. So in this you can watch for free. So let's see this one. com.com and /Disney /movies. I don't think this will work. .html. So now we are going to go here. So I've seen it, and now I'm gonna see it. So guys, I have searched and there are two sites, main one. So I'm gonna click on the first site, but now I'm gonna open this link, and there are these movies coming: The Jungle Book, The Artist Cats, Robin Hood, The Many Adventures of Winnie and the Pooh, and the Rescuers. Are like there are many ones. So I'm gonna click on this one. I'm gonna click on the Jungle Book. I'm gonna just click on this one. The whole there's this cast and quotes and all coming. They are not showing the movie, Disney movies. Guys, this hack didn't work for me. Comment down below if it worked for you. And this hack didn't work, so let's go to the next one. अब इस next hack में all you need is some tape and the piece of paper you want, and you need some scissors to cut the paper. So now I'm going to show you the hack. So this basically is very helpful for all of us if this works. So in this hack, basically you take a piece of paper, then you put some tape on it, then you wash it like this, and then the result, the paper's prints come on the tape and you can paste it anywhere. So now I'm going to show you the hack. So guys, I have my tape and now I'm going to find it. It will take me forever.
1,000 years later.
Finally, I found my tape. Here it is. It was hiding from me. I found it after a lot of times. Here I have my tape, and I'm gonna take a sheet of paper and I'm going to cut something written on it. So I'm just going to tape it, and now I'm gonna cut it with a scissor. So guys, मैंने इधर थोड़ी सी टेप लगाई है, and I'm going to cut this part of the tape here. So I think I'm going to cut it, and here we have the tape part which has the tape on it, and now I'm going to, it has part also. So now I'm going to wash it in some container. So guys, I've got another bowl, and here we have the piece of paper, and now I'm gonna rub it in the water. It's very, mine paper is like not rubbing, and now it has started rubbing. So I will back after rubbing. Hello guys. So ये है हमारा रिजल्ट। ये टेप बहुत लाइक पेपर सारा निकल गया और जो भी पेपर पे लिखा हुआ था वो इस टेप पे प्रिंट हो गया है. सो मैनी ऑफ यू like the hack from where I saw this, they used to make measurements on a water bottle, so you can use it for that also. It's very helpful, and I will paste this on my account. So like it's very helpful and it's very helpful. You can use it anywhere, and the glue is little less of the tape, but it can stay. So I really like this one. So it's time for the scrunchie. So here I've got my scrunchie, and I just removed it from the water a minute ago, or even less than a minute ago. So this didn't reduce as much, but it did. Like we just pulled like this and it reduced a lot. So this hack works, I guess. So that was all for today, and a very happy Halloween again to all of you. So bye guys, love you all, bye.